Today we learn how to sketch the text on this model. Okay, just suppose just click this face and click sketch. Now go to this line and click center line. Just sketch center line with this origin point and just right click, select OK, and go to this text and choose this curve. This is our curve, and just write the text. Just I will write this. Yeah, okay, just I will write this. If you want to this, there are many options. You can this if you click this, it will be middle. If you click this, it will change. Again click this, it will change. You can change for this. Or if you want to or another system, just will click this, it will be change this. Again this, click here and click here. There are many options. Just choose this, which will be better. Just I will choose this. Okay, or you can change this. Just click this user document, just click and front, and there are many options. The center, you can change this many option. You can choose and choose this font style. Just I will choose regular. You can change anything, and this is the common. If you want to change this size, just will click this point and change this size. Just I will size this here. I will change this 18. Just click 18 and click this OK. It has been big size. Okay, just click OK. Now see, if you want to extrude or extrude cut, you can do anything. Just we will go to feature and click this extrude cut. Now it will be cut. Now see, it will cut the inner side. There are many options. You can change this blind or middle, anything you can choose. Just I will choose blind and I will make it 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter, and this you can choose this draft angle, any angle. Just I will not choose angle. Just click and just click OK. Now see, it is made on this as extrude cut. Yeah, you can write or anything. If you want to or any side, just you will make and you can make. Okay, if you want to change this color, just you will go to this extrude cut and right click and go to this appearance and go to this cut extrude, click here. Just you can choose any color from this. Suppose I will choose this color and just I will click OK. Now see, this color is changed. Okay, in this system you can change any color or anything on this model. Okay, thank you for watching.